using Instagram stories to raise product awareness. Hey there, everybody! Instagram posts are one of the best methods to deliver your branded content, but they're only half of what Instagram lets you do, because you can also create Instagram stories. If you're familiar with Instagram stories, they are slideshow-type posts that let you share content that looks and feels more interactive. Because Instagram stories are so engaging, you can use them to raise awareness about a product or topic easily. And in this video, we are going to show you how to create a branded story quickly. Getting started. One advantage of Instagram stories over regular posts is that they appear right on top of the timeline. This is an area that is readily accessible to users. It is horizontally scrollable and saves stories for 24 hours. This means that users are unlikely to miss your stories. To create an Instagram story, simply tap on the Your Story icon on the Stories bar on top of your Instagram timeline. Creating your story. Unlike a regular post, an Instagram story is simply media with no captions or optimizations, such as an image, video, or recording, to which you add cool-looking and interactive elements. The first thing you have to do is to pick your story format. The normal format allows you to take a picture, to record a video, or to select media from your gallery for your story on normal mode. The boomerang format allows you to record a video that loops. A boomerang story looks similar to a GIF, and it works great for product teasers or behind-the-scenes stuff. The layout format will let you add multiple images to a single story layout. You can select from different grids that include from 2 to 6 placements to create a collage. The super zoom format lets you record a segment that highlights a portion of your screen with a super zoom effect. The hands-free format allows you to record story videos without having to press the record button. And lastly, the create format will let you to freely add interactive elements to an image or video from your gallery, or to use other types of elements such as shoutouts, GIFs, story templates, polls, questions, donation boxes for nonprofits, countdowns, and quizzes. This is the format that we'll use for this example. So let's stay on this screen. You can use these elements to create crazy combinations that will keep your followers entertained and engaged. For this example, we're going to use a picture of a merchandising product we'll sell through our online store. And we are going to add some attention-grabbing elements such as a call to action using highlight text and an emoji. So we'll start by tapping on the gallery icon to locate and add the product image first. Once you add your image, you will be able to use the story editing tools, which include stickers, emojis, text, and more. Let's start by tapping on the text icon to add a caption as a call to action. Type your caption, select a color, then select a size and a font style. Then tap on Done. Now arrange the text on the screen. Let's now tap on the stickers icon to add a cool sticker. For this example, we are going to select a countdown sticker to show a countdown of the date when the product goes live on the store. Tap on Done when you're done customizing your sticker. Then resize it and fix its position on the screen. Bear in mind that stories can be messy, that they don't have to be consistent with your brand's aesthetics, that they only last for 24 hours, and that their objective is to create entertaining impact, so don't worry if they don't look exactly perfect. Let's now tap on the stickers icon again to add a couple more stickers to increase the visual impact of the story. Posting your story. We are done customizing this story, so let's take a final look so we're sure it looks fine and dandy. We like it a lot, and we're sure our followers will love it. So now we simply have to tap on Send To. On the following screen, you can select whom you're going to send it to. Here you simply have to tap on Share to Your Story, then tap on Done. And that's it. We encourage you to create one or more stories a day to keep your followers engaged. Repurposing your Instagram content for other platforms. Hey there, everybody! Using Instagram as a platform to publish your content and grow your online presence will help you reach and engage an audience that you'll hardly find somewhere else. But you can take your reach further by repurposing your Instagram content on other channels. This strategy is called cross-promoting, and it allows you to leverage your existing Instagram content to engage users on other social media platforms and to create backlinks to your Instagram account on those platforms. In this lesson, we are going to show you the right way to repurpose Instagram content on top social media channels. On Facebook. All right, folks, let's start on Facebook. What we'll do on Facebook and on the rest of platforms we'll show is simply to take content from one of our Instagram posts, which includes the image, copy, and hashtags, so we can use it on a post that we'll create there. With that in mind, go to your Facebook account and enter the business page where you'll publish your post. Next, click on the Write a Post field. What you'll do here is to simply enter the text from your caption on the Instagram post. Now, one thing worth noting is that character limits don't work the same on other platforms as they do on Instagram. And while you compose long-form captions for Facebook posts, the idea is to create teaser-type posts to encourage people to click on your Instagram link to check the original post there. One trick that works great is to open this post with headline text. This is simply a title that you'll use to catch the attention of the user. In this example, we're going to open with a question related to the product that we are promoting on the Instagram post. Next, you are going to add your post caption. This can be a segment of your Instagram caption, a description of your Instagram post, or a shorter variation of the same caption. In this example, we are going to describe the content of the original Instagram post. After you enter your headline and text, add a call to action and a shortened link to the original Instagram post. As you can see here, Facebook will generate a cool-looking preview of your post by pulling your featured image or video into the post, as well as the name of your account and publication date. Lastly, add your hashtags at the end of the post, right below the call to action and URL. Then click on Post to finish. On Twitter. Twitter is a crazy engaging platform that can funnel lots of visits to your Instagram posts and profile. The structure of a Twitter post is going to be similar to what we created on Facebook. Start by going to your Twitter account. Then click on the Tweet button. Here you are going to apply the same strategy we applied on Facebook. You just have to be careful not to go over the character limit, which is 280 characters. This means that you have to compose a shorter caption this time, so you can leave space for your URL and hashtags. Okay, so let's start by composing the headline. Here you can use the exact same headline that you used on Facebook, as it is going to have the same effect. Now you are going to add the post text. You can use the same text that you use on Facebook as long as it is short form. Otherwise, you can simply add a call to action to encourage users to check the original post on Instagram. We'll do that in this example, so you can see how easy it is. Here we'll simply compose a call to action to invite users to find lots of answers to the question in our headline over at Instagram. Then we are going to add the shortened post URL. Now you have to add your hashtags. There are two smart ways to use hashtags on Twitter. First, you can use keywords in your copy as hashtags. Simply find a keyword that is relevant to the post. Then add a hash symbol right before it, like this. The second way is to add the hashtags at the end of your text, like this. Lastly, click on the gallery icon to upload the image or video that you used in your original Instagram post. Now that you've fully created your repurposed post, click on Tweet to publish it. Using Instagram Live for a product reveal. Hey there, everybody! Promoting your products and other branded stuff on Instagram is great for business. And there is a very entertaining, very engaging way to do it that your audience will love. We're talking about doing product reveals on Instagram Live. Instagram's built-in live streaming feature that will allow you to showcase your products and to interact with potential customers in real time. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to easily go live on Instagram and how to set up a product reveal broadcast. Getting started. Going live on Instagram is a very straightforward process that won't require you to set up complicated live streaming software or super sophisticated streaming equipment. In fact, all you'll need is a good cell phone with a good camera and a good internet connection. To go live on Instagram, start by opening the app on your device. Then tap on the camera icon in the upper left corner. Next, select Live. Going live. To go live, you will simply have to tap on the Live button. Now, there are some settings that you can adjust before going live. First, tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner. Here you can select to hide your live session. We don't recommend you to use this feature for marketing purposes, so let's move to the following settings. In Allow Message Replies, you can select who can message you and reply during your live session. Here we recommend that you use the default Everyone setting. Now you can select how to save your live session. Enable Save to Camera Roll if you want to save your live session to your phone. This is a useful feature that you can enable in case you want to share your video on other platforms such as Twitter or YouTube. You can also enable Save to Archive to save your live session to your Instagram archive instead of your phone. Next, you can adjust sharing. Here, we recommend you to enable all default sharing settings. This way, you can reshare your live session in the Stories section, allowing users to share your live session as a message, and share your live session as a story on your connected Facebook page. Once you have configured your live settings, tap on Done. Before going live, you can also select whether to go live in normal mode, or you can select to go live using a filter. For this example, we are going to go live in normal mode. Now that we're ready to go live, we simply have to tap on the Live button. During live. Once you tap Live, you'll get a message to let you know that your connection was successful and that you are live now. A cool thing that Instagram does when you go live is to show all your followers a notification on the upper side of the screen telling them that you are going live. We recommend you to schedule your live sessions in advance so you can announce your live reveal events across all your social channels. When you do a product reveal, you have to prepare your presentation and to have a sample or demo ready to tease the product on screen when possible. Let's assume you prepared your presentation the right way. So let's take a quick look at what you can do while you're live. First, you can tap on the gallery icon to share an image or video during your reveal. When you select an image or video, it will fill your background. This will allow you to show images or videos about the product that you are revealing and to use them for our presentation, like we're doing here. This is because you can select one image first, then another, in a way that is similar to a webinar. You can also share comments with your attendees by sweeping up. In the case of a product reveal, you can use this function to share your product launch page or product sales page URL. Your attendees will start asking questions at some point, and you can tap on the questions icon to see their questions regarding your product. A couple more functions worth checking are the direct messaging and go live with icons. The direct message function allows you to send a direct message or invitation to other accounts while you're live. And the Go Live With feature allows you to go live with any of your viewers. Once you are ready to finish your live reveal, simply tap on End, then Confirm. You can then tap on Share to Story, so your live session is added to your stories for 24 hours. And that's it, my friends. A great way to drive interest in your products while you interact with your followers in real time.